In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your browser search engine from Yahoo to Google. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, right now, say you search for something, it may automatically use Yahoo, but we're going to switch that over to Google instead. This guide is kept to be general, so you can follow along for most web browsers. I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. But up in the top right corner, you should see some sort of option, whether it's three dots or lines to open up a menu. Go ahead and select that and then go to the settings section right here. Once you are in settings, you're going to want to look on the left and you're going to see a little search engine option on here no matter what browser you're on. If you don't see it right away, you can also use this little search settings bar up at the very top to specifically look up for it. But go ahead and select search engine, and on this section, you should also see an option for change next to Yahoo specifically. Go ahead and hit change, or it may say something like manage search engines. Select that. Go ahead and open it up, and from here, scroll through here and find Google on here and hit set as default. Now, if you see manage on here, go ahead and click it, find Google on the list, and then click the three dots next to it and select make as default. But once that's done, whenever you try searching for anything, it's going to automatically use Google rather than Yahoo. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.